In this video, I'm going to show you the best way on how to learn to use the VIM text editor. All right, so I'm here on openvim.com, and there is a link below in the description. And this is just a really cool automated tool that teaches you how to use the VIM text editor. And as soon as you go to the URL, the first page loads, and it pretty much just takes you right into the tutorial on how to do it. All right, so I'm just going to start doing it a little bit, and you can see that the enter button is blinking on the keyboard, so I'm going to hit enter. VIM has two basic nodes. One is insert, another is normal, which provides you efficient ways to navigate and manipulate text. In order to change between modes, use the escape for normal mode and I for insert mode. All right, so now I'm going to hit I. It says, good, now you're in insert mode. Write something and change it back to normal mode. All right, good. Now let's move on to the next section. All right, now it teaches you how to use keys rather than the direction pad or the arrows to move around within the text editor. All right, now this is the part where it teaches you how to move around the text editor with respect to words. First, it wants me to hit B, which is going to go to the beginning of the previous word. And W takes me back. And then E takes you to the end of the word. And this part's pretty interesting. In order to move 3, 10, or 40 words ahead. So 3W is the same as pressing W 3 times. All right, now in this section, it allows you to insert text multiple times. All right, so I did 3I and then typed in go and then hit escape. And then it basically copied go 2 more times for a total instances of 3. And all right, so I'm not going to sit here and go through this whole thing for you because I'm pretty sure nobody wants to do it. You want to do it yourself. And that's what you should do. You should go down and click on the link in the description and check this tool out. It works really good if you want to learn VIM. That is the conclusion of this video. It is just one in a much larger series called Linux for Network Engineers. So if you're interested, you should check the rest of the videos out too. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.